chance to be ruthless.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
E aí pessoal, gostaram da ideia aqui? Beleza? Fiz aqui ó, vou deixar aí pra vocês na descrição do vídeo. E vou deixar aqui também agora, vou falar aí pra vocês. Material utilizado ó, vocês podem ver aqui ó, olha só. Acabamento aqui do copo aqui ó. Ó, perfeito aí ó. Lixado à mão aí, beleza? Ó, já tá com água já aí ó, tá certo? Ficou show de bola aqui. O material usado foi para lixar uma lixa 80 d'água de início. Quando você lixa todinho aqui, o copo já está bem lixado, já bem acabado. Você vem com uma lixa 120 também d'água, certo? E você faz aí só para o acabamento do copo, né? Para deixar mais acabado aí, né? Por dentro e por fora. Só nas quinazinhas aqui, ó. Dentro e fora. Na quina aqui, ó. Não pode ser demais para fora e nem para dentro, porque senão vai arranhar o copo e fica feio, beleza? Então aqui, ó. E também utilizei uma vela de ignição de carro usada e uma vela comum, né, de parafina aí, tradicional, né, normal, como vocês podem ver aí. testado e aprovado.
Gostou do vídeo? Então se inscreve no canal e ativa o sininho das notificações para não perder nenhum vídeo. Esse canal de tudo um pouco com Marcelo é demais, tem tudo mesmo. Quer aprender a cortar uma garrafa de vidro fácil e rápido? Então se inscreve no canal.